here on this auspicious day. I want to welcome you all in the day when we feed the hungry, clothe the naked, forgive the guilty, welcome the unwanted, care for the ill, love our enemies, and do unto others as you would have done unto you. May this year be more promising than the year before. Spread the happiness all around you. It's Christmas. Merry Christmas to all of you and your family.
Let me start our program with a Hindi prayer song, Charvaye Nache Jhoomke. So I just call all the teachers to gather on the stage to sing a beautiful song. Now, light brings with it brightness and remove the darkness. As we light the candle, let's open our hearts. Receive the light of Jesus. Now, going to the next program, which is a duet choral by Subhi ma'am, Samita madam and Ansar sir. Please come to the stage.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare Him room. And heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare Him room. And heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. Joy to the world, joy to the world, joy to the world. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight! Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh! Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh! Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight! Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh! Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh! We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
It is very joyful performance by the teachers. Thank you, teachers.
Christmas is the festival of joy and peace. Christmas brings love and happiness. Now, we're going to present you a paper presentation on the topic how differently Christmas celebrated all over the world and what are the effects of COVID on the Christmas celebration. Let us see. Good morning to all. Today we are going to present you a PowerPoint presentation on the topic Christmas celebration all over the world and the effect of COVID on celebration.
Christmas is celebrated differently all over the world.
Fasten your seatbelt and get ready for takeoff. Some customs we will celebrate from all around the world.
In England was the first country to use Christmas cards. Cookies and other sweet treats like pudding are baked with the special treats inside. Holly and ivy decorate the homes.
In Germany, for children in Germany who celebrate each year, Advent, wreaths and calendars mean Christmas time is near. The Tannenbaum or Christmas tree originated in Germany. For many years, the German people decorated their trees with candles and fresh fruit.
In France, families enjoy two witches and nativities. Holly and greens are used as decoration. The family gathers around and sing carols as Jesus is placed in the manger.
In Sweden, St. Lucia Day is celebrated December 13. The oldest girl in the house dresses up in a white dress and candle on her head. She wakes up early and brings treats to her family.
In Italy, they celebrate Christmas on January 6th. They believe a good deity comes to give them presents. Her name is La Befana. Families decorate with flowers instead of evergreen trees.
In Mexico, Christmas is celebrated for 9 days, December 16 to 24. It is called Las Posadas. They sing song and have a parade. They eat tamales and corn.
In Israel, Hanukkah or Chanukah is the most important winter festival of the Jewish religion. It is celebrated for 8 days to celebrate the battle for religious freedom. The light a menorah in remembrance and thanksgiving to God.
In Africa, originally Christmas was celebrated as only a religious holiday. Queen Victoria introduced many of the customs that are used in African countries today. You might see Santa Claus, gifts, cards, Christmas tree, and stocking.
In the United States, Christmas in the United States brings together many customs from other countries. People buy or make gifts for each other, decorate Christmas trees with ornaments and lights. Effect of COVID-19 on Christmas celebration.
As we all know, this year in 2020, the Christmas will be different as this year is very special because this year we have seen the COVID in our whole year. Now, let us see how differently we are going to celebrate our Christmas from the past year.
Precautions during pandemic. Keep social distancing. Celebrate your Christmas inside your home. Use virtual mediums to celebrate. Use masks.
Germany has been placed under a light lockdown till January 10. The German government have imposed travel restriction during the festive period and limited indoor gathering over the Christmas holidays to 10 people.
French President Emmanuel Macron has announced that the majority of the lockdown measures will be eased from December 15 for the festive break. Shops, cinemas, and theaters will reopen just in time for Christmas. Domestic travel will be allowed without any restriction.
In Italy approved new restriction in the end of November with hope of avoiding a renewed surge of COVID-19 cases around the holiday season. The European country, one of those badly hit by the pandemic, Italy banned midnight masses and hailed into town movement and also requested to not invite guests over the Christmas celebrations.
United States, US has no uniform travel restriction in the place for the holiday season, as states have the freedom to impose their own restrictions. Currently, 22 states have imposed travel restriction, with Alaska, California, Hawaii asking travelers to undergo a 14-day quarantine.
Now, how you can celebrate Christmas on this COVID time?
Prioritize the traditions that matter most to you.
Trim a tree outdoors. You can do the party outside your house or house garden. You can decorate tree there.
Find ways to make the most of your time with loved ones.
Spread some joy, as Christmas is the festival of joy and peace. And in this time of pandemic COVID, we can enjoy our festival with the use of precautionary measures.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you.
It is very informative and enlightening presentation. Thank you. Going to our next program, which is done by our student of class KG1 and KG2. Let us see the activity done by the students.
Very artistic models made by our students. Thank you. Christmas means giving. The Father gave His Son and the Son gave His life. Now, without giving there is no true Christmas. And without sacrifice there is no true worship. Going to the next performance by our teachers, Meenakshi Madam, Pooja Madam, Shail Madam and Ansar sir.
तेरा ही भरोसा है, तेरा ही सहारा है, जब से मेरी सुनी मैंने तुमको पुकारा है। तेरा ही भरोसा है, तेरा ही सहारा है, जब से
It is very soulful performance. Thank you, teachers. Now, it's the time for some activity. Here we present some activities done by our student from class 1st to 6th.
Morning, ma'am. My name is Dhruv Thakur. I study in class first. Merry Christmas. Thank you.
My name is Sanskar. I am studying class second. Wish you all Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Morning, Principal Ma'am and teachers and all of my dear friends. A very hearty good morning to all. First of all, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Vani Mehra. I study in class 3rd. My school name is Techno India Group Public School, Bhopal. Today I am singing one song on Christmas. Let's start it. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring and to your kind. Good tidings for Christmas. Thank you and have a nice day.
It's very awesome video and activity done by our student. Thank you all. Now it's time to shake our legs and feel the beats. Here we present a group dance by our school student. Dance directed by Survi ma'am. Let us see. Wow, what an awesome performance by our student. It's very energetic. Thank you all. May God bless you with good health.
Now, I would like to call Mr. Ganesh sir, our administrative officer, to please come and say few words to our lovely children.
डियर स्टूडेंट्स, मैरी क्रिसमस एंड हैप्पी न्यू ईयर टू ऑल। जैसा आप सभी जानते हैं, कोविड की वजह से हमारा स्कूल ऑनलाइन लगा हुआ है और इस वर्ष हम आशा करते हैं आप सभी से, हम आप सभी को स्कूल कैंपस में फिर से देखना चाहते हैं, इसलिए हमारी शुभकामनाएं आपके साथ हैं। विश यू हैप्पी मैरी क्रिसमस एंड हैप्पी न्यू ईयर।
Thank you, sir, for your wishes. Now, I just call Sarita Madam, our coordinator, to say something to our children.
Good morning to all of you. Respected Principal Madam, Administrator Sir, teachers, parents and my dear students. Christmas is the biggest festival of Christians. It is also known as the feast day of Christ. As it is the biggest festival of Christians, it is an important day for Christians. Christmas Day falls on 25th of December every year. Christians have a lot of preparation and decoration on the eve of Christmas. They also attend a mass prayer in the church. Besides different kinds of religious festivals, we also celebrate Christmas with joy and happiness. Dear children, you have seen that every year we make a tableau of this cow shed and we show there the birth of Jesus Christ. What is the story behind this tableau? So let us have that story. Once upon a time there was a woman in a small village. Maximum villagers were poor and farmers there. That woman was so good and obedient. She was kind-hearted and helpful for everyone, so the people liked him very much. She was going to marry a man who was very honest and very noble person. That woman's name was Mary and that man's name was Joseph. Before few days of her marriage, Mary had a dream, and in her dream she had seen that there was an angel at night and she was appeared in front of her in a flash of light, and that angel was sent by God to give message to Mary. First, Mary was afraid of her, but when she heard that she was speaking to her, that angel had said her that she was sent by God and she had declared that Mary would be going to give birth a child who would become savior of this earth and who would become the God of mankind. So next day, Mary had talked about her dream to Joseph. And Joseph was also a very kind-hearted person. He had promised her to support her. On those days, the king of land was evil and selfish and very cruel. So that Joseph, who belonged to the place Bethlehem, they both had decided to go Bethlehem. So they had started their journey. Their journey was not so easy because that time they didn't have any cart. They had only a donkey. So it was the journey of 3 or 4 days. As Mary was pregnant, she was ride on that donkey, and Joseph's journey was on foot. After 3 days, when they reached Bethlehem, it was dark night and it was cold night also. So both of them, they wanted help of people, but people did not help them. Suddenly Joseph saw a cow shed and there was a heap of straw. Joseph made a bed of straw and Mary had given birth a beautiful child who was Jesus. Jesus had become the Savior of earth later. Dear children, you have seen here that a great things has the very small and humble beginning. So a great thing can have very small and humble beginning. Many kind of luxuries, monies, comforts do not make the man great. So let us have a famous preaching of Jesus Christ today. Jesus Christ said that love God, love your neighbors as you love yourself, and forgive those who has wronged you. If you forgive others, God will also forgive your mistake. So these are the preachings which we get from the founder of religions. we have to remember always in our life, these preachings helps us to make a better human in our life. So Merry Christmas all of you. Always remember the preachings of the founder of religions, and a happy and prosperous new year 2021. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your good wishes. Now, some of our teachers would like to send some messages to our lovely children. So, here are those messages.
My dear children, wishing you a Merry Christmas and very Happy New Year to all. I hope upcoming year bring you lot of happiness and success in your life and may be full of energy. Thank you.
Good morning, students. How are you all? Students, as we know that today we are celebrating Christmas. So I would like to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. May you have a blessed year ahead. Thank you.
Dear children, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all.
Dear all, we wish Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. We missing to lot of. Thank you.
Good morning to all my dear students. Today is Christmas and I am wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Please students, we miss you very much, and in our next session we will meet and make blast on this Christmas celebration. Okay? So, wishing you a Merry Christmas. Enjoy your day. Thank you.
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Christmas is not as much about opening our present as opening our heart.
It is a season of love, peace and happiness. Wishing you all a great day.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.